YouTube is showing more ads than ever, especially on TVs. If you're using an Android TV, Google TV, NVIDIA Shield, Chromecast with Google TV, or a Fire Stick, there's a simple way to watch YouTube without those ads. The easiest solution is an app called SmartTube. SmartTube works like YouTube, but it removes video ads automatically. It also includes Sponsor Block, which can skip sponsored segments inside videos if you want. Here's how to install it. First, install the Downloader app on your Android TV or Fire Stick if you don't already have it. Next, open Downloader and go to the official SmartTube GitHub page. Always download the app directly from the official developer to avoid modified versions. Download the latest stable version and install it. Once the installation is finished, open SmartTube. The first thing you'll want to do is sign in to your YouTube account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, enter the code on your phone or computer, and your subscriptions, playlists, and watch history will appear. Now let's make it even better. Go to Settings, then Sections. Remove anything you don't use, like shorts or kids' content, to keep the menu cleaner and easier to navigate. Next, open Sponsor Block settings. By default, SmartTube can automatically skip sponsor messages inside videos. If you'd rather choose when to skip them, change the setting to Show Confirmation Dialog. That way, you'll get a small prompt before anything is skipped. And that's it. You now have a cleaner YouTube experience with fewer interruptions, a customizable interface, and built-in tools that the standard YouTube TV app doesn't offer. Just remember, this method is designed for Android TV-based devices like Google TV, Android TV boxes, NVIDIA Shield, and Fire Stick. If you're using Samsung TV, LG TV, Roku, or Apple TV, the process is different. Thanks for watching and enjoy ad-free viewing.